Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of chapter 13, Summary. I am repeating, today our topic is chapter 13, Summary. Students, this is our 13th lecture and 13th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 13th lecture and 13th homework. Students, take your home science book and open chapter 13. We'll discuss about the summary of this chapter. So let's begin. Chapter 13, name the concept of textile fiber. First, we'll discuss about lesson 1. Name fibers suitable for making yarn or qualities of fibers. We know that the dresses we wear are made of fabrics. Yarn is made of some fibers. There are some known fibers which are used to make fabric. These are cotton fiber, jute fiber, silk fiber, rayon fiber, nylon, etc. So, if I ask you to name some of fabric, you can answer cotton fiber, jute fiber, silk fiber, rayon fiber and nylon, etc. Okay, how can we get a proper dress? Look, from fiber or textile fiber we get yarn, and from yarn we get fabric, and after that or finally we get textile or dress from fabric. So the equation is fiber, then yarn, then fabric and finally textile or dress. Now students will learn about the qualities of textile fiber. The length of the textile fiber will be more than its width. As much as the fiber is thin, the fabric will be smooth and soft. Next, the textile fiber should have strength. If it is not enough strong, the yarn or fabric can't be made from it. So, the textile must be strength, otherwise it can't be made from it. Next, as the yarn or fabric needs to be twisted or folded, the fiber used to make the fabric should be soft. Because of these characteristics, the textile fiber can be twisted to make yarn. The small fibers should have the tendency to stay twisted together. So, what will be the small fibers? It should have the tendency to stay twisted together. After folding or twisting, the fiber should have the ability to come back to the previous condition. It means if we fold or twist, the fiber should have the ability to come back to its previous condition or position. Next, the textile fiber should have its own brightness. So, brightness must be in it, capable of absorbing moisture. So, this one is also capable of absorbing moisture. The textile fiber should have elasticity. That means when it will be stretched, it will be long and come back to its previous condition when let it go back. It means when we let it go back, it will be in previous condition. Now students will discuss about lesson 2, name classification of fibers. According to the source of fiber, it can be divided into 2 types. So, how many types we can divide the fiber? Okay, we can divide the fiber in 2 types according to the source. So, they are natural fiber and artificial fiber. Now, I am going to discuss about natural fiber. Natural fiber, the textile fibers we will see in nature are called natural fiber. So, what is natural fiber? The textile fibers we will see in nature are called natural fiber. There are categories among these: plant fiber, animal fiber, mineral fiber, rubber fiber, etc. So if you have to ask to name some of natural fibers, you can answer plant fiber, animal fiber, mineral fiber and rubber fiber. Now we'll discuss about artificial fiber. There are several fibers which doesn't grow naturally. It means we have learned about natural fiber. So what is natural fiber? The fibers which we can see in nature is called natural fiber, and all fibers are not seen in nature. And we are talking about this, and these are artificial fiber. There are several fibers which doesn't grow naturally. People make fibers by mixing chemicals with the natural fibers or just with the chemicals, which are called artificial fibers. So what is artificial fiber? People make fibers by mixing chemicals with the natural fibers or just with the chemicals, which are called artificial fibers. It means when we can't get any fiber from nature, but we can mix some chemicals and find some fiber, it is called artificial fiber. And we can give example of nylon, rayon, etc. Nylon, rayon are the examples of artificial fiber. Now we'll discuss about lesson 3, physical and functional characteristics of fiber. The physical characteristics are the fiber's size, strength, stretchability, capability of absorbing moisture, etc. On the other side, the actual function of a fiber depends on its usefulness in practical life. So this is very clear, and now we'll learn about the physical and functional properties, and we'll mention some of the names, the physical and functional properties of cotton fiber, flax fiber, silk fiber, fur fiber, artificial fiber. Students, this is for chapter 13 summary, and please learn more and more from your text at home. I hope you will read the text, the whole text again and again at your home, and I have given your homework. Your homework will be 5 knowledge-based questions. I am repeating, your homework will be 5 knowledge-based questions from chapter 13. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 13 and homework number is also 13. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious, because you will get your CT, diary and SBA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.